And if you see the instrument now, there are mainly four parts. So first one is the backbone of the Raman spectroscopy is the laser, because Raman is a very big phenomenon and only one molecule in 10 to the power 6 molecules, or let me put it in other way, one photon in 10 to the power 6 photon only go ahead for the Raman spectrum, other will go for the Rayleigh scattering. So that's why it's a very big phenomenon, and that's why we need laser light, very high single wavelength light and with a very high burst of energy. So these are our lasers. Here one is 532 nanometer solid state laser and one is 633 nanometer gas laser, helium neon gas laser, and there is something called CCD. So any spectroscopic instrument should be having one detector. So for this is called charge coupled device detector. So what is the special thing about charge coupled device detector? It works on the photoelectric effect. So we all know about the photoelectric effect, right? And as I told, that Raman spectroscopy deals with light, photons. So the next things you will be seeing is like SEM or TEM. There everything is getting on electrons, but here the things on light. So this light will fall on the detector, and by photoelectric effect it will change, or like it will eject some electrons, and the energy we are going to calculate for the electrons, and it will back calculate to give us the energy of the photon. So by that we can end up getting the Raman spectrum.
Sujan, let them ask question.
Yeah,
Not
so
only
yeah,
fundamental.
if you are
Make a short thing and you can ask whatever.
yeah, so I am done with myself now. Yeah.
Sir, like if you synthesize some material like
Right.
unknown, then how do you know means Raman spectra of that?
Okay,
Like,
so
if it is not in the table of spectrum.
okay, so the first thing, as you have pointed already, everything which you are synthesizing, we will not get the data. But we have some insight with us, right? If you know the Raman shift, so you know this might be possible for this kind of stretching or this kind of bending. So it's a back calculation always. You will not get the entire information from one go. So you have to check part by part and stretching by stretching, and you have to go